All right, so you want to break it all down, take it apart. It's pretty simple. You just got to come over here. First things you want to do is unplug it, right? Yeah, just like that. And then first I'm going to just loosen this. This is my lock on the window. I'm going to set it right there so I don't lose it. Then I'm just going to come over here. I'm going to pop this up. I'm going to pull this out, just like that. Set her over there for now. Then we got to get our little white pin out right there. I want to get that out of there. I want to save it. I want to lose it. Set it right over there. Now I'm going to slide this in. I'm going to pop this down. I'm going to push it just like this. There we go. That's down. Okay, so that's that. All right, so now we just got to break this down. So we've got to match these up, match those up, and they just come right off. All right, so we'll just pull this out, right? Okay, so what I'm going to do here is twist it until I get to there, and that comes off. And then this, really, I just got to pop it. And it just pops out. That's done. Now here, you just turn it till I get it to even with this, and bam, done. So to put this away, I'm just going to go ahead and shove this little kinker in there so that this doesn't move. So now this will be nice and straight. So I got that, right? All right, so here we have our little machine, right? Bam. All right, if you look, it tells me that this is the front here. If you look right here, you'll see it. It says front, it's got an arrow. See, that's how I've got to lay that up on there. So I'm just going to put it right about there. Okay, so now I just got to get this right here, kind of even here. And I'm going to pick it up. I'm going to bring it over. Just set it right down on there. Bam. Now we're in. Okay, we're in like Flynn's. These go right on the side like this. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me see. Just like that. So let's slide it this way so you can see. Then we'll do the other one over here. Just like that. Bam, done. Looking good, right? Now we've got to get our other piece of styrofoam and put it on top. Okay, we had some damage to it, but you know, what are you going to do? It's styrofoam. So this is going to set right here like this. And this is going to go in right on the side of the styrofoam. There we go. Not bad, right? Looking pretty good so far. All right, so you can see that's how that sets in there. And this sets in here, just like that. And the front of the machine is over here, looking good. All right, this here, I believe, went in like this. This is like a puzzle. All right, good. Now, these we want to put back in too, right? And this, I don't know if we're going to be able to use it. We might be able to smush them back down. I don't know. You think we can? It's like this broke off from over here, just like that. Guess we can put that there. Put this one over here. You see it goes like, fits right like that. So I've got to kind of get it in. I don't know, this might not be, I might not be able to use this. All right, put it there. All right, this I want to take my batteries out because it didn't come with batteries. And I don't want the batteries to die. So we'll just pop those out. Just like that. Come on, Mr. Battery. Then we're going to set this on here. Close it. And we'll just set that right in there like that. Put the batteries over here. Okay, now all this stuff we're going to shove on the inside that. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of this razzmatazz, all of this here, we're going to wind it up like this, okay? And we're going to take and put it right in here, just like that. And then this, I do believe, we can put in here too. I think. Let's see. Because I think it was just like this. And then it went right in there. So let's see if we can put it in there. I think we almost got it in. Just go like that. All right, I think we're good, right? We forgot the directions. So the directions, I think I'm just gonna put them down here, just like that. So they're in there. So now we've got everything in there. And now we just gotta put the box on top of it. And I just gotta figure out which way it went. Maybe. There we go. And then we just gotta get it all the way down on the bottom. We want to get it over the edges. There we go. Bam. Yep, that's it. Whew. Now we just gotta tape it up. Just like that. And the bottom of it, I don't have any, I'll have to figure that out. But that's the way we're going to store it for right now. And so now we can just move her out of the way. Slide it over here. Okay, so we're ready to go now. Got her all put away. And now we can store it, or I could send it back to Amazon if I don't like it. But probably just keep it. Alright, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.